Hi, Christoph. Thanks for joining us today.
Hi, Catherine.
So maybe just to start off, would you like to introduce yourself quickly?
Yes, my name is Christoph Schmitz. I'm a professor of cardiac surgery at the University of Munich and a professor of surgical research at the University of Cape Town. For about 5 years, I have been Chief Medical Officer at the company Auto Tissue Berlin.
Nice. Okay. And what does Auto Tissue Berlin do exactly for those who don't know you?
Yes, we produce a cell-free patch derived from equine pericardium. This patch is used to repair defects of hearts and vessels close to the heart. The patch is used primarily in pediatric cardiac surgery and in valve repair. It is a Class 3 medical device. As the name of the company suggests, Auto Tissue is located in Berlin. All products are developed and produced here. We have customers in Europe as well as in some non-European countries such as Russia or Saudi Arabia. In total, our products are successfully used in about 40 countries worldwide.
Great. Okay. And last year in 2020, I think you were looking for a new solution for clinical data capture. So what was the reason for this at the time?
Yeah, actually, during that time, we were working with Excel. Excel is pretty good if you have simple tasks, but as soon as you need more complex form, it requires considerable expertise. In addition, it is not straightforward to make these forms easily available via a web interface. Since clinicians now need to collect clinical data for a wide variety of products, it is particularly important to reduce the workload for clinicians as much as possible. Your solution provides a very simple but yet very powerful tool for this task. This was the reason why we looked into this option.
Nice. Okay. And how has your experience been now with Climedo so far?
Your support is great. Any problems are dealt with quickly. In addition, my requests for further development of the product were taken into account and were even already implemented.
Nice. Well, I'm very happy to hear that. How do you see our future collaboration?
The current post-market clinical follow-up study was the first project where we used your EDC solution. In the meantime, we have also implemented a Europe-wide registry. And in addition, studies for the approval of further medical devices are pending. So we will use your product for different options in the future.
Mm-hmm. Great. And one last question just about the general future in the medical sector. What do you foresee as the future of clinical trials, for example, remote trials?
Yeah, it's absolutely clear that the importance of clinical trials will continue to increase in the coming years due to the increased requirements after the implementation of the MDR. Even for products which have been on the market for years, or in some cases, even decades, clinical safety must be proven again and again throughout the entire life cycle. For this purpose, reliable clinical data must be collected. In order to keep the additional effort for the clinical active users of the medical devices as low as possible, support with the help of EDC systems is of utmost importance. I think that these remote trials, which have been implemented by many during the SARS-CoV-2 pandemic, will become more and more important. As it has shown, it works perfectly. And at the end of the day, everybody can benefit, not only the personnel conducting the trials, but also the CROs and we, the sponsors. We have direct and easy access to all data, and remote monitoring has proven to be very safe and very reliable.
Great. Yeah, I agree. Definitely. That's something we're also pursuing and something we support at Climedo. Okay, well, thank you so much for your time today, Christoph. Really great to get your input on this, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your day.
Okay, thank you.
Thanks. See you soon. Bye.
Bye.